My dearest adolescent, your presumptions or needs aren't wrong anyway. You are searching for them in misguided bearing. I have taken care of a lot of enrichments for you, and your presumptions, a part of those favors, could take time. This message is an update that things are spreading out in divine timing and sublime solicitation in your life. Remember, I have given you a responsibility that I will give the things that you definitively required. So trust me, you know about Abraham, Esther, Jacob, David, Joseph. They all had confidence in me, and I never dispirited them. Believe in me, my youth. I understand what is best for you in the ideal open door. I will give it to you. You ought to just trust me. Imagine that all of the events in your life are acting a lot of like a phase on a letter, with each step occurring in a superb gathering, all including up and driving you to the next one, with each situation taking you higher and towards importance. Exactly when you don't get what you have asked me for you for the most part, neglect to recollect whether what you have asked or you are asking is as demonstrated by my will or not. Things will show up for you. All that you are worried about will not matter soon. Long-awaited shift is coming your course. Surrender the old and embrace this new gifts. The opportunity has arrived. A part of the things didn't happen as you wish exactly when you see a young woman or youngster. You could fall in veneration with that individual. Also, later you will ask me for your marriage with that individual at the point when you see a vacant situation in a paper or somewhere else. You ask me to give it to you like that. You expect a lot of things from me anyway. What you disregard to say is that expecting it is your will. Permit it to be done all through my life, and let it lead for your splendor. Did you anytime see this first, before you asked me for something? This is the support for why you by and large get perplexed and lose your trust in me. Exactly when you don't get what you have asked me for, you for the most part neglect to recollect whether what you have asked or you asking is as demonstrated by my will or not. The universe is performing wonders for you right when you get clear on unequivocally precise thing you need. All that you truly need to secure your vision is gotten going. Steer a demonstration of unadulterated trust toward showing your most significant dreams. The universe will continually maintain you right when you step outside your comfort in mission for your higher explanation. New to source through your exercises, words, and structures. Exactly what you really want. You don't have to know how it will all spread out. Wonders will happen on the side of yourself. Expecting you saw how great your future is going to get you to encounter issues confiding in it. The conviction you have in yourself is opening such innumerable doorways. You have made such innumerable conviction-based moves towards achieving your dreams that are all dealing with in puzzling ways. It is your legacy to come to your most vital energy. You will find support from angels in transit, enchanting appreciation for the grand assistance you are getting. Show up reliably with a respectable demeanor. Likewise, trust in the sublime way forward of you. This inspiring point of view will continue to open doorways that you didn't know existed. New God is your fortitude. He sees what you are overseeing, and he will bring you through it. Keep on confiding in God. Through every whirlwind you will make it. You planted the seeds, maintained and disapproved for them, and by it is the best opportunity to gather the awards type. So be it accepting you put confidence in God, favor every one of you.